Built for toughness, designed to last. This is the all-new Toyota Hilux 2026. Toyota Hilux 2026 has a more rugged and tough design, large and strong front grille, LED headlights look aggressive, high body plus high ground clearance, built for off-road and work. Looks strong and can be used in all conditions. The 2026 model has been greatly upgraded. Screen 12.3-inch touchscreen, new dashboard design, practical plus durable materials. Interior not as luxurious as Ford Raptor, but right arrow strong, plus usable plus long-lasting. The Toyota Hilux 2026 is built to handle anything you throw at it. From extreme off-road terrains to heavy-duty work, this pickup delivers power and durability you can trust. It's not just a truck, it's a legend.